Hey everyone, today we have the enormous 5-inch Knipex wrench pliers, German made. Purchased this a few years ago from Amazon. I have used it a couple times, and it has not disappointed. Very well made. You can adjust it in many different positions and it locks into place. You get an insane amount of grip and force. There's no play. The tolerances on this are just incredible. No play, like I said. It has a special plating and forged steel where it doesn't scratch what you're working on. There's like no back play. You can fit this in your pocket, in a glove box, a tool box, your center console. It has a little carry clip as well. Yeah, this thing, does not disappoint. I don't carry this, but I would if I had the use for it. It does come in handy. Let's see if we bend. I'm just kidding. Yeah, great pair of pliers, nice size. Can't really go wrong. They are a little pricey, but sometimes you get what you pay for, I know I'm not disappointed with these, and they're quite cool, great size, but yeah, let me know. Do you have a pair of these? Do you have a whole set or a collection? What do you think of Knipex and their products? Comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.